Hi everyone, now Sunday and I today walk in Perimeter Road. I want show to you road from Perimeter Road bars to La Grande Residence and also walking near La Grande Residence also. I will show to you. This is bars already. Girls here. Is bar named Nifty and Rio. Two bars. Two bars here. In the corner, what is this name? It's also bar. Garfield's last tent name. CNBC bar. Hi. And time now 5 p.m. Grey Fox bar open. This is new bar, Bad Decision bar. Until 1. Street foods also here. And this Black Satin Resta bar. Hi. You can see very close La Grande Residence. So it's walking distances maybe 3 minutes only. And here bar, candy bar. Night Moves bar. Hi. This is already new Margarita station. It's parking for Margarita station. This is Malabanias road. And this road going to the walking street, Red Street, Fields Avenue. And if you won't go to Handy, you go straight to Malabanias road. Okay, now we're going to the La Grande Residence. It's popular place for tourists. Moonlight. Thunderbird, Georgi always play, not always, sometimes play in Thunderbird bar, play billiard. Very popular electric bike. Shiras family also have. Who want to park car also inside. Another side have parking. It's for bar. And we're going to La Grande Residence. Oh, they remove from the tree. You take a look. They remove. Many. Take a look. And this car repair shop always smell not good here really. If I walk, I don't like. I move from this place. And here have a laundromat and also street foods. We can check what kind of street foods have. With street foods, Filipino street food, fish also have. Hi. Adobo available? Adobo. Can Adobo don't have.
Adobo.
Can I see adobo for my subscribers? This is popular adobo.
This is a dry adobo.
This is dry adobo. Okay.
Duck.
Duck, not chicken, it's duck. And how much? How much with
90 pesos.
90 peso.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
And there have also
Sure.
pork adobo. This one.
Also pork adobo.
Yeah, sweet adobo. This is a part of the legs.
Part of the legs.
Yeah. And also,
Chicken adobo.
this is a pork menudo.
Pork menudo.
Yes. Napuksan nyo nga ilaw. And also this one is a beef caldereta.
I like this. Is good.
Yeah.
Beef caldereta. Very good. But most of your customers is Filipino or foreigner?
No, foreign.
Foreign
Many
also.
foreign customers.
Many foreign. It's good.
Sometimes Sweden, Australian, sometimes Malaysia, Singaporean.
Singaporean. International.
Yeah.
International.
But my place is so small. But
It's okay, but
yeah.
most important foods, not
yeah,
place.
that's
Yes.
true.
Yeah.
Not the place they come here.
Yeah.
Only the food. So
Yeah.
that's
Food is more important. Not.
that's true.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And here laundromat also. Who live here, it's easy to wash your clothes. Also barber shop. Here barber shop open. Dog have with haircut only 100 peso. In my place also 100 peso. It's good. Also clinic have. Clinic. Yeah, what kind of clinic? That's good. And if you scratch or dented the car, also they can fix your car. But I don't know about quality. Maybe okay. I think this place is good for living because it's not so crowded and everything have. If you want to go to Walking Street, Red Street, it's easy to take jeepney or take tricycle. 100 peso tricycle only. Many tourists like La Grande Resident. Also have a restaurant. I already filming in La Grande Resident. We stay with our friend from Kuwait. He invite us to La Grande Resident. Already fixed road here. It's good. Before don't have road here. And I will check what kind of hotel. What is his hotel name? I don't know. This is school. It's not hotel. Sorry. That's why Barangay they fix the road because it's a school. It's nice. And many apartments here for rent. So we're going to La Grande Residence. I bring my small umbrella. This is very small umbrella. I bought in China. So maybe have start rain. That's why I better have umbrella. And this place is tricycle driver sometimes stand here. It's barbecue. Prepare already for barbecue. What is this? Different kind of high. Different kind of barbecue. How much this one? I know popular in the Philippines. This.
It's 10 pesos.
Only 10 peso. You will prepare now and sell already cooked, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's already.
Yeah, I like also. It's good. Okay, thank you. Also, you can rent here, but sometimes here I hear karaoke. Evening karaoke, noisy. Weekend, especially weekend. Also street foods. You can see street foods. Sari store. Sari stores everywhere. You see children drive a scooter. Laundry. Here many customers because La Grande Resident very close. Wraps, Wall Street wraps. I already filming before here. It's also popular place. Tricycles here. You can take tricycle 100 peso to walk in street only. Very cheap. Yes, wraps. And today in this street don't have a food court. Don't have street foods. This is parking. It's for guest parking, but always don't have space. You see, even for motorcycle, I think it's workers park here, but for cars it's very few space. Another laundry here. Street foods also. This vegetable, egg. Hi. Not for sale. So many stores here. You can buy everything. Also another small restaurant, but empty now. Chinese apple. Potato. Chicken. Yeah. Thank you. Today potato, I check already price. It's only 70 peso in my place. I think same. I don't know why, but usually it's potato here 150, 160 peso, 180 sometimes. But now price for potato, lowest price in this season. Before here is basketball court. Children play here, but now we already clean. I think it's land for sale, I think. Or maybe already sold out, I don't know. This is apartment for rent. Apartment for rent. There's telephone number. Another store, so many stores with apartment for rent, this one. Store. Hi. And another. Swiss Valleys apartment. If don't have phone number, if you cannot see any sign with phone number, it's mean already full booking, I think. Because I cannot see phone number here. I think full booking, not available for rent. Oh, it's another building we built. We built new building. I don't know what is this. I will check right now. Maybe have some. So this is already barangay. I don't know what they built. I cannot see any sign. I don't know. Usually they need to put information, but don't have any information. Hotel, Canadian hotel. Open. I don't know, but they close. I don't know when they open. Even security don't have. Yeah, new hotel. I think I don't know why not open. Even don't have security. Oh, so noisy, so noisy. How live here if so many dogs? In one apartment, in number 7 apartment, so many dogs. How they sleep nighttime? I don't know. Everywhere dogs. Townhouse for rent, Helen, La Belle Helen. This is phone number. Who interesting? You can rent. But this place so many dogs. Everywhere dogs. It's noisy here. Nighttime, I think, how they live. In our barangay, not so many dogs. Oh, this is apartment. Leo Place. This is way to Capitol Hill. $12,000 monthly. Full furnish is good. Full furnish in monthly 12,000. Interesting price. But Georgi said in his apartment now 9,000 peso he pay unfurnished, but with 12 fully furnished. Another also. Rosaretta residential homes. Capitol Hill Hotel. Oh, Ford Mustang, very popular in the Philippines, expensive. I already filming before in this hotel. Restaurant foreign I here, or Mexican foods here. I already near my car and I will go to Angeles right now. I will show to you in another video. Today I don't have work, I am free, that's why today I filming for you. Shaira now in Manila. she visit her relatives who have cancer, visit her in hospital, and she will come back this night, come back to home. Thank you in advance for watching. This is parking. Sometimes I park here. Still built house.